as a novice trader, you might be having this one single thought into your mind that what is a system or a strategy which every single pro trader keeps mentioning that you should have a system or strategy at its place. So system or strategy is nothing but a predetermined data based on any possible set of rule, whether it is price action, moving average, Bollinger Bands, Fibonacci, RSI, breakouts, breakdowns, or any other possible set of rule based on which we are having predetermined data that if this particular thing happens, if this particular confirmation happens, then this is going to be my predetermined initial entry price, and this is going to be my initial stop loss and initial potential target, and so on. And at that point of time, our emotion based trading, our gut feeling or intuition takes place very less, which means our intelligence takes place at that point of time. And that is the best part, because when intelligence goes high, emotions goes low, and that is very important for us as a trader. So at this point of time, it is absolutely mandatory, whether you are starting off your trading journey or even if you are in between your trading journey, you should have at least one single specified system or strategy at its place so that you can create the best possible result for yourself and you are not trading based on emotions.